Hey everyone! In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to sculpt some basic shapes with clay. The first shape that we are going to try to make is a sphere. You can see here that I'm rolling the clay in between my hands, but it turns more into an oval. So in order to fix this, we're just going to pinch it on the side where it was a little longer, more into a ball, and then keep on rolling it, and then just pinch it with our fingers to then make it more into ball. Okay, so that's your sphere. Next, we are going to make a cube. The cube is similar to the sphere where we're going to actually start off with a ball. So here I'm rolling in my hands, I'm pinching it to make sure that it's more round, and then going to roll it again. Now after I have it into the sphere, I'm going to tap it on the sides in order to make it like a cube. So tap, 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 turn it, tap the other side, tap, 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 turn it, tap, tap, tap. Okay, so you're going to do that on all the sides until you have more of a cube shape. Now, if you want to get your cube like extra crisp, what I'm going to be doing is I am going to grab a metal rib. Now, with this metal rib, you can go ahead and take it and cut the sides so that it's even and just like crisp edges, okay? This is just another option depending on your sculptures in the future and how you want it to look. So then after you cut the sides, you can just go ahead and take your fingers and kind of pinch it so that it's a little bit more even on all sides, okay? So there's our cube. So we have the circle, the cube, and the next one that we're going to make is a cone, okay? So with a cone, we're going to pinch off some clay from our little ball, and then we're going to start off with another sphere, okay? Now the difference is when it comes to making a sphere is that we're going to angle our hands, okay? Well, this one I tapped to make a bottom, and then I'm going to angle my hands. See how it creates like a triangle shape? So you're going to put your hands on an angle so that the clay squeezes in between your hands. So my hands are on an angle and they're rolling back and forth. You can see that the tip of it is getting smaller, but the base is still staying wide. You can also take your fingers and pinch in a way that also makes a triangle as you turn the clay around and around, okay? So now I'm going to tap it down below to get a flat side and continue to turn and pinch until it's getting that cone shape. Now, what I can also do to make it even better, just tapping the bottom, what you can do to even make it better is you're going to take it and roll it on the table. The table is flat, and if you roll it and put more pressure towards the tip of the cone, it will make sure that it's perfectly straight on the sides. Okay, so there it is. There's your cone. The next shape that we're going to make is a coil. Now with coils, you're going to want to roll it in your hands, but also squeeze and turn. As you squeeze, the coil is going to get longer and longer. Now, when you get a shape that looks like a little poop, you're going to take your hand and roll it on the table from your finger to your palm and back. From your finger to your palm and back. You're going to roll it on the table. Now, when you do this, you may run into it being flat on one side. If you see mine, it's not perfectly circle. It has like a flat area. So in order to fix that, you're going to twist the coil, okay? See how I'm doing that? And then roll it again from your fingers to your palm. And then it'll become round again, all right? They had one little section that was still flat, so you roll it again from your finger to the palm. Now, I've made a coil, all right? So there's your tutorial of how to make a coil, a cone, a square or cube, and also a sphere, all right? So that is it. Little happy face for you. I hope you have fun.